Well, I'm out to really get feedback from our customers. How are we doing from a service standpoint? Are there improvements we need to make?
Yeah, that was ready. Y'all doing all right? Hi, Tom Lambert with Metro.
I wanted to get out and see how we're doing and see what we could do better. It's better feedback because they'll tell you exactly the things you need to be looking at, whether it's reinforcing the positive things we do or dealing with some negative things that we need to work on.
So it's at 5:30 in the morning. Is the stop well lit? Do you feel comfortable waiting there? I'm going to go ahead and ask you to make sure. We need to do a better job with it, better lighting, all that? Okay. And it's at Telephone in Lawndale. Okay, we'll look at it.
You're actually out there experiencing with them. If you're doing the gift card for a day pass, it shouldn't be charging you any more than $3 a day. Okay, call me and let me check in on that. It's really more having that personal conversation with them.
Gracias a ustedes y a Dios. Que los cuide siempre.